it's Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how I get my donutless donut bun. For this bun, it is all my hair, no bun maker. This bun is for when you are in a rush, you're out of time, okay, and you just need to throw something together. I literally use 3 bobby pins, one on each side and one in the back, and then we are ready to go. If you guys would like a video on this makeup look, please let me know. If you guys would like to see how I did my bun, please continue to watch, like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you guys have not watched the video that was uploaded before this one, please click the cards above. And I just got a fresh relaxer, so please go watch my relaxer routine video. That will also be in the cards above. Once again, I love y'all.